Get your day started the right way with Good Day Tampa Bay.
Coming up next, we're getting crafty ahead of Easter. A pro joins us for some easy-to-do watercolor painting that's fun for the whole family. Okay, we are 3 days out from Easter, and if you want some homemade decorations ahead of the holiday, how about doing some little watercoloring? Margot Griffin from the Dunedin Fine Art Center is here with an easy-to-do, she says, Easter craft that's fun for the whole family. Hey, good to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
You said even I, a non-artist, can do what we're about to do here.
Here's hoping. So we're using watercolors.
Okay.
They're very user-friendly. You can get any watercolor paper that's nice and thick, can hold water, it's nice and soft, and you need watercolors and a brush and water. That's it.
Hence watercolors.
I've gotten your colors all water. You're gonna swirl your brush around.
So I don't need to dip in anything?
I already got it wet for you. You can use a little pipette, add some water, and then just swirl around.
What color should I use?
Let's go purple.
Okay.
All right, so you're in purple, I'm in blue, and here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna hold your brush lightly in your hand and just try to make an arc. If it's square, it's square.
Try to make an arc.
Yep. All right, perfect. Now you're gonna take your brush back to the top of it and try to fill out
Bring the arc around.
Exactly. And you can use your paintbrush like it's a crayon. And what we're doing here is called wet on wet. Almost. So if you have any mistakes, you can grab some more painty water and then just touch it up.
All right, so I could bring this on around?
Yeah. Good. And then what we want to do is add a little bit more water.
Just dip it?
Yep, just dip it. And then take the point of your brush and the part that's a little outside the egg, we're just going to sort of bring that back in.
Like this?
Yep. There we go.
Oh, okay.
All right. So now what you're going to do is put the point of your brush down on the paper.
I wish Shirley Temples, the art teacher in Paris, Texas,
if she could
see me now.
All right, so now we're going to fill it in, and we're going to get all that water to fill in the borders of our egg. You're doing great.
Thank you. If only Shirley Temple had said you're doing great.
And then the fun part is we're going to take another color.
Okay.
So.
Well, how much time we got? We okay here?
I think we're good. Let's go with maybe this blue. You can rinse your brush.
Just so you know. We've got 1 minute to go.
Okay.
All right.
So take your blue, and now
I'll take a blue?
purple. Take this dark blue right here, and you're just going to touch it anywhere in that egg. There we go.
Make little egg dots.
You made art. Yes. So wet on wet watercolors bleed and they bloom. And if you will hand me our little display sheet over there.
Yeah, I'll show you how. We're going to show you how this is supposed to look.
So these are some completed eggs, and if you want, when they dry, you could take a regular old pen and make little doodles. You could do a little
like you did there, right there. Like you did right there.
If you're really, really fancy, you could get a bunny silhouette. I don't know what I should be showing you. A carrot, and if you're extra fancy, you can write someone's name.
Now what are you going to do with them?
Take them home?
No. No, I mean, what are you going to do with them now? Are you going to put them on anything?
You can make place cards.
Okay.
Yeah, little Easter basket tags, whatever you want.
All right.
But wet on wet is the easiest way to turn anyone into an artist.
It's very cool. Hey, if anybody wants to get in touch with you, website?
InkyFingersCalligraphy.com.
Say it, Inky?
Inky Fingers.
Is that I-N-K-Y?
I-N-K-Y.
Fingerscalligraphy.com.
You got it.
Will you come back someday?
Absolutely.
And do something else?
Yeah, we've got to do something more complicated.
No, we don't. No, we don't. Hey, good to see you.
You too.
Take care. Thank you. Happy Easter.
You too.
Thank you.